Welcome to my channel. In this video, we had to consider this exponential equation here on the board. We have here if 2 to the power of 1 minus y multiplied by 2 to the power of y minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of y plus 2 equals 8 to the power of 2 minus 3y. Here we are to find the value of y that will satisfy this equation here. First, I put down here solution. I bring the question down here. We have 2 to the power of 1 minus y multiplied by 2 to the power of y minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of y plus 2 equals 8 to the power of 2 minus 3y. Here, the first step to be considered here is for us to express both sides of the equation to be on the same base. The left-hand side has been expressed in base 2, then as such we need to express the right-hand side also in base 2. Then we bring down the question again. We have 2 to the power of 1 minus y multiplied by 2 to the power of y minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of y plus 2 equals 8 to the 8 to base 2 will give you 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 minus 3y. Now we are going to apply certain rules of indices here. Recall that when you have a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y, that is equivalent to a plus a to the power of x plus y. And also if you have a to the power of x divided by a to the power of y, that is equivalent to a to the power of x minus y. And we are going to apply these laws here right now. And in the numerator, you are going to pick one of the base and we add the powers. That is 2 to the power of x to the power of 1 minus y plus into y minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of y plus 2 equals, let us multiply these powers out and have it 2 to the power of 3 times 2, that will give us 6 to the power of 6. 3 times minus 3 times minus 3, that will give us minus 9y. When we simplify the numerator, we bring down the question here. We have 2 to the power of 1 minus y. You open the bracket, y times 1 here, invisible 1 here, plus 1 times y. That will give us plus y. Then plus 1 times minus 1, that will give us minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of y plus 2 equals 2 to the power of 6 minus 9y. Then here in the numerator, you can see that we have 1 minus y plus y here is 0. Y minus y plus y is 0, and as such that is going to also have 1 minus 1 all 0. Then we have in the numerator that 2 to the power of 0 divided by 2 to the power of y plus 2 equals 2 to the power of 6 minus 9y. Now we are going to apply this second law here. The same base, we subtract the powers. Then the equation becomes here 2 to the power of 0 minus into y plus 2 equals equals 2 to the power of 6 minus 9y. When here, if we subtract this from 0, we have 2 to the power of negative. Let us open the bracket at the same time. Minus 1 times y, that give us minus y. Then minus times plus 2, that give us minus 2 equals 2 to the power of 6 minus 9y. Then here, the bases are the same. We are going to equate the powers. Therefore, we have here minus y minus 2 equals 6 minus 9y. Then the next step here is for us to collect like terms. And if you do that, you're going to have here minus y. If you bring minus y from the right hand side, minus 9y. From the right hand side down here, it becomes plus 9y equals, here you have 6. If you move negative to down here, it becomes plus 2 here. Then we have here minus y plus 9y. That to give us 8y equals here 6 plus 2, that give us 8 as well. Then to get the value of y, we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by 8. And if you do that, you're going to have that y equals 8 divided by 8. Therefore, y equals 1. And this is the value of y that will satisfy this given equation here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.